Oh my gosh. Can you imagine if like a spark was underneath your Christmas tree? And oh my gosh.
Do you have a couple good pictures?
Oh my god.
Holy crap! That is awesome! Oh god!
God! This is awesome!
Oh my god!
Can you imagine
having a spark under your tree?
Or like someone put their ash out, like if they smoke in their house and they have a Christmas tree too?
Dude, those rocks behind it are gonna be black.
Yeah, they are.
We can paint it!
Holy crap. Holy sparks.
Just one little spark.
Good thing the sparks is snowing out, so the sparks are.
I'm getting it.
Whoa.